Okay, we go to the next activity, listening the story. Okay. Okay, are you ready? Ya. Ya, kalian kita baca, kita pahami tentang cerita Goldilocks. Oke, semuanya ya. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Goldilocks. Pada suatu ketika, ada seorang gadis kecil bernama Goldilocks. She went for a walk in the forest. Dia jalan-jalan ke sebuah hutan. Pretty soon, she came upon a house. Tidak lama kemudian, dia tiba di suatu rumah. She knocked, and when no one answered, she walked right in. Dia mengetuk pintunya, tetapi tidak ada seorang pun yang menjawab. No one answered. She walked right in. Tapi dia tetap masuk ke dalam. At the table in the kitchen, there were 3 bowls of porridge. Di sebuah meja di dapur ada 3 mangkuk bubur. Goldilocks was hungry. Goldilocks lapar. She tasted the porridge from the first bowl. She tasted, dia merasakan, mencicipi porridge bubur from the first bowl, pada mangkuk yang pertama. This porridge is too hot, she exclaimed. Bubur ini too hot, terlalu panas. So she tasted the porridge from the second bowl. Jadi kemudian dia kembali merasakan bubur yang ada di mangkuk yang kedua. This porridge is too cold, she said. Dia berkata, bubur ini terlalu dingin. So she tasted the last bowl of porridge. This porridge is just right. Nah, ini bubur ini paling bagus. She said happily, and she ate it up. Dia merasa sangat senang dan akhirnya ate it all up. Dia memakan semuanya. Bubur yang ketiga tadi di mangkuk yang ketiga dia makan semuanya. Okay, the next. After she'd eaten the 3 bears breakfast, setelah dia selesai memakan sarapan dari ketiga beruang, she decided she was feeling a little tired. Dia memutuskan, dia merasa lelah. Feeling a little tired, dia sedikit lelah. Feeling, merasakan, little tired, sedikit lelah. So she walked into the living room, where she saw 3 chairs. Jadi kemudian dia berjalan menuju ke ruang tamu, living room, where, di mana she saw. Nah, masih ingat ya, she saw seen, she melihat. Saw itu adalah verb kedua dari see. Dia melihat 3 chairs, melihat 3 kursi. Goldilocks sat in the first chair to rest. Goldilocks duduk di kursi yang pertama untuk istirahat. This chair is too big. Kursi ini terlalu besar. So she sat in the second chair. This chair is too big too. Kursi ini juga terlalu besar. So she tried the last and the smallest chair. Kemudian dia mencoba kursi yang terakhir dan yang paling kecil, smallest, paling kecil. Ya, ditulis ya kata-kata artinya tadi yang sulit. This chair is just right. Ini baru benar, kursi ini baru tepat. She sighed, but just as she settled down into the chair to rest, it broke into pieces. Nah, tetapi baru saja dia duduk di kursi tersebut untuk istirahat, to rest, it broke into pieces. kursinya hancur berkeping-keping ya. Nah, oke. Goldilocks was very tired by this time. Goldilocks sangat lelah saat ini. She went upstairs to the bedroom. Dia pergi ke atas ke kamar tidur. She lay down in the first bed. Dia berbaring di bed yang pertama, di kasur yang pertama. But it was too hard, tetapi kasurnya terlalu keras. Then she lay in the second bed. Kemudian dia berbaring di kasur yang kedua. But it was too soft, tetapi kasurnya terlalu lembut. Then she lay down in the third bed and it was just right. Goldilocks fell asleep. Kemudian dia berbaring di kasur yang ketiga. Nah, ini baru tepat, cocok. Goldilocks tertidur. As she was sleeping, the three bears came home. Ketika Goldilocks sedang tidur, ketiga beruang pulang ke rumah. Someone's been eating my porridge, growled the papa bear. Seseorang telah memakan buburku, gerutu papa bear, ayah beruang. Someone's been eating my porridge, said the mama bear. Seseorang juga sedang memakan buburku, kata ibu beruang. Someone's been eating my porridge and they ate it all up, cried the baby bear. Seseorang juga sudah memakan buburku dan dia memakan sampai habis. Bayi beruang menangis. Someone's been sitting in my chair, growled the papa bear. Seseorang sudah duduk di kursiku, gerutu papa beruang. Someone's been sitting in my chair, said the mama bear. Someone's been sitting in my chair and they broken. They broke it into pieces, cried the baby bear. Jadi seseorang telah duduk di kursiku dan mereka menjadi rusak, menjadi berkeping-keping. Tangis bayi beruang. They decided to look around some more, and when they go upstairs to the bedroom, Papa Bear growled. Mereka memutuskan untuk melihat ke sekelilingnya. Dan ketika mereka naik ke atas ke kamar tidur, ayah beruang menggeram. Someone's been sleeping in my bed. Seseorang telah tidur di kasurku. Someone's been sleeping in my bed too, said the mama bear. Seseorang juga telah tidur di kasurku, kata ibu beruang. Someone's been sleeping in my bed and she's still there. Seseorang telah tidur di kasurku dan dia masih di sana, kata bayi beruang. Just then, Goldilocks woke up. Setelah itu, Goldilocks bangun karena kaget ada 3 beruang di sana. She saw the 3 bears. Dia melihat ketiga beruang tadi. She screamed, "Help!" Kemudian dia berteriak, "Tolong!" And she jumped up and ran out of the room. Dan kemudian dia melompat dan lari keluar ruangan. Goldilocks ran down the stair, opened the door, and ran away into the forest. Goldilocks turun ke bawah, membuka pintu dan berlari ke hutan. She never returned to the home of the 3 bears. Dia tidak pernah kembali ke rumah ketiga beruang tadi.